here's your video guide to setting up the Go Smart Wheels Ultimate RC Speedway. First things first, let's unbox the Ultimate RC Speedway and make sure that we have all the correct pieces. To get started, locate the starting gate and smartpoint track and click them together. Next, insert the gas pump into the slot on the smartpoint pit stop. Then insert the pit stop wall onto our pit stop base, and you'll hear that magic clicking sound knowing it's together. Next, locate the podium, antenna, trophy, and podium base. We're going to attach the antenna to the podium, and then attach podium to the podium base and add the trophy. Then, using this support, we're going to attach our podium to our smartpoint base. Next, we're simply going to attach this long smartpoint ramp to this base. The next piece we're going to assemble is the stunt ramp. For this, you'll need the stunt ramp, the base, supports, this little track piece that's put together, and the corner piece. Simply click on your supports onto the stunt ramp. And then insert them into the base. Then rotate your stunt ramp up to add this track piece to your green support, and then click in your corner track to complete the stunt ramp. A few more quick assembly pieces and then we'll be ready to put our whole track together. For the switch tracks, simply grab your switch track piece and add it in the middle. For both tracks. And then for our video screen piece, we're simply going to add our flag and then click it into the smartpoint track. Now with all of our major pieces assembled, we're going to go ahead and put our whole track together. Once you have your racetrack put together, go ahead and add the sticker decals. Now before we can start zooming our race car around our Ultimate RC Speedway, we need to make sure we've added batteries both to our remote and to our race car. Then flip your race car over and look for a little switch that has 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. You'll find a very similar switch to the back of your remote. You want to make sure that the switch on your race car is matched with the switch on your remote. So if you're doing number 1 on your race car, make sure your remote says number 1 as well. Next, make sure you switch the back switch on your race car to motor and go ahead and set them on your racetrack. Using the remote, you can make him go forward or backwards. And then let him go ahead and zoom around the track.